The TP-Link EAP670 WiFi6 AX5400 is a highly efficient wireless access point that offers blazing fast internet speeds, ideal for both home and business environments. With simultaneous speeds of 574 megabits per second on the 2.4 GHz band and 4,804 megabits per second on the 5 GHz band, it ensures smooth and fast connectivity. This device supports a centralized cloud management system through Omada SDN, allowing users to manage their network effortlessly from anywhere. The access point features a 160 MHz channel, enabling double data transmission during peak times, which significantly enhances performance. Seamless roaming is a standout feature, ensuring uninterrupted video streaming and voice calls as users move across different areas. The TP-Link EAP670 is powered by PoE Plus and includes flexible installation options, making it a versatile choice for various deployment scenarios.